This is my GE Hot Point side-by-side refrigerator freezer, and we've had it now for 7 years. And the other day we had some problems with the ice in the back building up and plugging up the drain pipe. So I fixed that. We're still getting too much what I consider water in the freezer section of it, which I didn't even realize there was a drain plug. So I'm going to take off the back panel. They said one of the problems might be that it does need to be cleaned. So I'm just going to take this back panel off and see what's inside there. The back panel is going to just lift right up. I'm just going to set it down so it doesn't scratch the floor. And if we look in here, right here is this is the drain plug. You can see that there is water in it. Kind of works like a toilet bowl. Water goes down it and then it has to come back up around so it doesn't smell. So what we're going to do is we're going to vacuum out. They said that one of the problems might be that you've got too much dust and crud in there, and I am going to just use a Home Depot bucket head wet dry vac to do that with. So here's my Home Depot bucket head wet dry vac. And no, I do not work for Home Depot or GE. Just wanting to maybe help people out and doing a project around the house. So over here I'm going to just vacuum out some of that crud. So we can see that quite a bit of it came out. You do have some that it's stuck in there. I could take a toothpick or a paper clip, something like that, to help get that out. But it certainly has gotten rid of a lot of it. When I had called my dealer that I purchased the refrigerator from, they said that if the motor gets too hot from all of the dust in there, that it could cause it to sweat more on the outside. It could cause it on the inside to end up having more water from the freezer, and that's where my water is coming from. I am getting a funny noise that's coming from this section up here, and that's going to be my next project if this doesn't help. But they said that this should be vacuumed out once a year, so not a bad idea to get in there. It's very easy. You can see I've pushed the refrigerator away from the wall here to get access to it. I am going to put everything back together right now. And it's just going to be pretty much a reverse of what I did before. You do want to make sure you have you have 3 lips that you need to make sure that they go on and it slides down. So I'm going to pick it up, put one lip in first, and make sure they all line up. That way it stays by itself. I'm going to line up my screw holes and just put them in finger tight for now. And hopefully that's going to take care of the problem. We'll see in time. If not, we'll be taking a look here at the motherboard later on. Hope that helped. Good luck.